Hey everyone, this is Tyler Troutman with Shure at the InfoComm 2025 booth, here to talk about some really cool announcements. So earlier this year we launched our IntelliMix room kits, which was our first Microsoft Teams room kits that are really ranged to go from small rooms all the way up to pretty large spaces. And so we have 4 of those kits, and as your room needs grow and your audio needs grow, the kits grow along with you. And those feature our IntelliMix room compute and console, as well as an MXA 902, which captures fantastic audio in the room, which is critically important to leverage AI tools like Copilot. And so we know those kits covered pretty much 90% of the rooms, but we know a lot of organizations have custom rooms, have large sized rooms or steratoriums or specialty spaces, and that's why at InfoComm 2025 we launched the IntelliMix Foundation kits. And what that is pretty much just the compute and the console, and then a little PoE plus switch. And what this allows you to do is to pair the Foundation kit with any of the fantastic ceiling microphones and ceiling arrays from Shure, like our MXA 920 or MXA 901, and our new amplifier, our MXN amplifier, or even our newest network-based pendant speaker, our MXN6. And so it's really exciting to allow our customers and our end users to be able to customize any room, but keep that Foundation kit so that we can cover from the smallest size room all the way up to the largest custom size room. And so really excited to have everybody here check this new product out. And if you'd like more information, please visit us at Shure.com. Thank you.